Hello everyone. My name is Naj Norzeb. I am here to present to you a full course of graphics card repairing. I hope you all support me to make this course possible. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's get started then. In this video, we will talk about the overview of the course. At first, we will tackle the basics. Not all has a chip level knowledge yet, so we must start always to the basics. Next, we will talk about all the tools that we needed in repairing GPU. And after that, we will now go the board level or chip level repairs. We will also learn the course in theoretical way and also in practical way. In this course, these are the things that we will learn. We will learn how to identify the parts of a graphics card, the components in it, how to test those electronic components, what are the common faults of GPU, and also, how to read schematics and how to use the BoardView software. You will also learn how to use some of the tools and softwares used in repairing GPU. Be sure to subscribe to follow in the next part of GPU repair course. See you next time.